Okay, so again, good morning to all. Now we start today's session or today's videos of Padarth Vigyan, Department of Samhita Siddhant. Myself, Dr. Siddhant Singh. So Paradiguna we have already discussed in previous classes or previous video. So now we have to continue from last gunas of the Paradiguna. So what was like Samyoga, the feeling of as a combined A is combined to be B is produced by the combination or the conjunction attribute. The type of samyoga is like a karma sanyoga and sanyog sanyoga, samyogaj sanyoga. So type of samyoga, the karma sanyoga, when a book is touched by the hand, the conjunction due to the action of hand is known as the karmaja. And sanyoga sanyoga, the combination of the body which is produced due to the combination of hand and book is known as the sanyoga. The types of samyoga according to Charaka, like one is द्वंद्व एक द्वंद्व कर्मजा सर्व कर्मजा and ek कर्मजा. So importance of samyoga, the utility of samyoga guna in medical field. The samyoga attribute is very useful in the medical and other day to day life. The prescription is the main source of the knowledge, and for the perception is the main source of the knowledge, or for the perception is the proximity of soul, sense, faculties, mind, and the object is essential. So next one is vibhaga, the attribute which destroys the combination is known as the vibhaga. It is a anitya and the could destroyed by the combination, like the conjunction or the combination is also produced by the action of either of two things or by action of both by the disjunction. So type of vibhaga like karma vibhaga and vibhaga vibhaga. If an individual puts off this hand from a book, this action will destroy the conjunction. It called as the karmas vibhaga. And vibhagas vibhaga, when the hand of an individual is puts off from the book, the body of the person will also be disjunction. Type of vibhaga again is like Twanda karmaja, Eka karmaja and Sarva karmaja vibhaga. The separation is an attribute, the practice of the discrimination of separation verily exists in the form, namely, this is separate from other than a different object. For this, for the separation, this definite appearance or the grasp having the regards to certain limits. Here one question arises whether there is difference between the prathakatva. So type of prathakatva, Charak mentioned three types of prathakatva: asamyoga, vailakshanya, and the anekata. So next one is parimana. It is a light or small, while it is a heavy or large, are the experience attained due to parimana attribute. It is of four type: anu, mahat, hrasva, and so anu, mahat, hrasva, and dirgha. Next and last one is samskara. According to Vaisheshik, action is produced by the samskara when an arrow is thrown by bow string drawn by the violation of person. The first action of the arrow is from impulse, the next action is from the resultant energy produced by the first action. The type of samskara is like vega, bhavana, and sthiti sthapakatva. Type of samskara like vega, bhavana, and sthiti sthapakatva. Utility of samskara, the Ayurvedic utility of samskar guna, all the substance are made up of panch mahabhut called as the panchabhautikatva. This is included in samskara. Food as eat as the primary, essential, and the most useful for first day to day of the life has been given the complete attention by the Vedic. And last one is abhyasha guna. So repetition of the same diet, etc. For many times it is abhyasa. It, for example, habituate intake of sastika, the type of rice, and exercise is called as the bhavabhyashana, shilana, satatkarya, and explain the same condition. It is an important and useful attribute in the hygiene as well as the treatment. So abhyas guna, the repeated and the regular in the take of the sastika, sali, mudga, rock, salt, amliki, rain butter, ghee, etc. The abhyas attribute has got very important utility in the treatment and in the knowledge of the paradi gunas. Without knowing them, a physician cannot do well in the. So these are the rest of Paradigunas which are we have to complete in the second videos, the Samyoga Vibhaga, Pratyakatta Parimana, Samskar Abhyasa. So these are the matters to recollect from the by C. Misra, Degree Charya, LP Gupta, the publication is Chokamba Sanskrit public. So thank you to all.